Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share something that completely changed my life. How I trained my brain to think in English. Many people can understand English. They can even read and write. But when it comes to thinking English, they get stuck. I was one of them. My mind used to translate every single word from Hindi to English before speaking, and that made my sentence slow, confused, and full of mistake. But one day I decided English is enough. I wanted to think directly in English, and that's where my real English journey began. In the beginning, it was not easy at all. Whenever I tried to think in English, my brain automatically switched to Hindi. For example, when I saw a chair, my mind said kursi first, not chair. It was frustrating, but slowly I learned that training the brain is just like training a muscles. The more you practice, the stronger we becomes. So I made a plan, a simple daily routine that helped me reprogram my brain for English thinking. Step 1, surround yourself with English. I changed my environment. I started watching English movie, listening to English podcast, and even reading short story in English. At first I did not understanding everything, but I kept going. The goal was not to understand every word, but to make my brain comfortable with the English sound. Slowly my mind began to recognize pattern and common word naturally. Step number 2, talk to yourself in English. This step was the most powerful one. I started self talking in English, not aloud, but in my mind. For example, if I was making tea, I would say to myself, now I am boiling water, now I am adding milk. This small exercise helped me connecting English with my daily life. My thought slowly started for forming in English without translation. Step number 3, name things around you. Another small trick I used was naming everything around me in English. When I looked at something, I immediately said its name in English: bed, fan, curtain, wall, window, bottle, shoes, everything. This daily practice helped me build vocabulary and made my brain associate object with English word directly, not through in English. Step number 4, stop translating in your mind. At the start, I always tried to translate sentence from Hindi to English, and that made me slow. Later I realized that translation is the biggest barrier. So I started thinking in simple English sentences instead of thinking मुझे भूख लगी है. I started saying I am hungry instead of मैं सोच रहा हूँ. I said I am thinking. Once I did this for a few weeks, my brain stopped using Hindi first. Step number 5, learn phrases, not word. I also learned the English is not just about word, it is about phrases. So I started memorizing useful daily phrases like how are you doing? I do not think so. That interesting. I got it and let's go out. These read made phrases helped me speak and think faster because I did not have to build sentence word by word. Step number 6, journal in English. Every night before sleeping, I started writing my thought in English. For example, I wrote what happened during my day, what I learned, what I planned for tomorrow. It was not perfect, but it helped me connect my emotions and exercise experience in English. Over time, this habit made English a part of my real life. not just a subject I study it. Step number 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes. In the beginning, I made a lot of mistakes. Sometimes I spoke wrong sentences. Sometimes I forgot word, but I did not stop. I realized that mistakes are proof that you are learning something new. So I trained my mind to focus on progress, not perfection. Step number 8. Consistency is the key. You can't train your brain in one day or one week. It takes time. I practiced every single day, even if I was just 15 minutes. Slowly, I noticed that English started coming naturally to my mind. I began to dream in English, think in English, and even reply in English before realizing it. Now, when I see something or real something, my first thought comes in mind, not in Hindi. That's when I know my brain was fully trained. Friends, if you really want to think in English, stop waiting for the perfect time. Start today. Watch, listen, read and speak in English daily. Don't be scared. Just remember your brain learn what you give it. So give it English every day. And one last thinking in English is not about being better than someone else, it's about communicating confidently and understanding the word in a new way. Once your brain started thinking English, your speaking, listening, and writing will automatically improve. So keep practicing, keep thinking, and one day you will realize English has become a natural part of your life. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this vlog helpful, like, share and subscribe for more English learning motivation. See you in the next video, and until then, think in English, live in English.